Morning, classmates.
Morning.
This is our Susan cell phone. Inspired by iPhone.
Yeah.
First, we have here messaging. It is only a simple cell phone. Messaging is contains create messaging, box drafts, outbox, send items, saved items, delivery, email, Yahoo, instant messages, voice messages, input messages, service commands, delete messages, message settings. That's all. What's that? There, located where are your, text mates. Calendar, calendar then. Gallery, you can, there you can, contains images, video clips, music files, themes, graphics, tools, recordings, receive files. Smart menu. Wait. You just go to your, you just click this feature, then look for smart menu or whatever your globe menu or whatever. Then your balance will appear. Media. Camera, video, music player, media player, radio, recorder, equalizer. Stereo widening. That's all. Mobile TV, I don't know what's that. I don't know with my group mates. Services. Tools. Gusto na lang. Here, profile, themes, tools, display, time and date, shortcuts, connectivity, call, phone, enhancements, configuration, security, restore, factory, settings, that's all. Log, call log, missed calls, received calls, dial numbers, message recipients, call log list, call duration, packet data counter, packet data connector, timer, message log, positioning, that's all. Navigator, shortcuts. This is also a music player. That's it. Thank you.